So we have balloons here. So let me show you. This is the lowest light setting, and let me just brighten it up. Wow, it's amazing. These looks amazing. Hi guys, I'm going to unbox this package. I think it's the ring light I ordered. So let's see. I'm so excited, actually. Another package. I don't want to come out. Here we go. Let's see. This is the stand for the ring lights. Wow, it's nice. I have no idea how this will work and how I have to set up, but we will see. Some kind of adapter charger. This must be the ring light. Okay, this is the 18-inch ring light I ordered from eBay, which is it was 25 pounds and it's 18 inches with the stand. So yeah, it looks nice. It's a good quality, very nice. Let me assemble it and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, these are the things I got with the ring light. I think it's for the assembly. I will show you one by one what is it for, and because I haven't got any, this is the remote, I think, for the camera. Yeah, so let's see how it's going to work. Okay, we have to flip it, I think, like this. Okay, nice. So however wide you want, you can, I think, just screw this to fix it at place like this. And then we have here this one expands basically for the ring light to attach on the top. Let me just put everything down and then I will get back to you. Okay, so this is the stand and this can expand. The height of this stand is 190 centimeter and plus the ring light is 30 centimeter. So we can just attach. Let me show you guys. Let me just show you like this. So this goes here. We have to screw it on top. I think this is the far as it goes. You just keep moving. It's not tightening up. And we can attach our ring light over here. So I have assembled it, but this keeps moving and this also keeps moving, so you can adjust which way you want. And you can also tilt this light if you just like we can tilt this way as well, and we can tilt this way, like according to your preference. And we have these options here. This one is probably for on and off, maybe for brightness, I think, or maybe this one is for the switch, because this is the 3 tone light, warm light, and the white light, and the middle one as well. And we have this pin here, I think, which goes here. This with adapter, we got this adapter with this, so here. And for this one, we also got this in the package, so we can, because in the UK we need this kind of plug. And this is the remote again. And we got these, like 3 of these, which can get attached over here. We have 3 options, middle and the sides, which we can like just attach it like this. And we can attach our phone with this. So we got these 3 of these. We can attach these. We have to open it like this and then open it again from here, so we can put this thing in here like so, and then we can just screw this back on so it gets tightened up and does not move from here. All done. And then this ones, we have got total 6 of them, and 3 of them with this thing and 2 of them the simple ones. And you can just pop this here. Oh, something wrong. So we have to again we have to unscrew this again, and we have to fix this first, and then we have to put it back on like so, and then here again for the spin. So we have these ones extra and these ones extra. So what I'm thinking is we can attach it either here or here on the sides of it, or we can just take these out, unscrew it and take these out, and we can use it here as well. So we can let me show you how to attach it on the sides. We can just screw it here, and we have got these ones extra as well, so we can screw it, sorry, not this one, but this one. We need this one, so we can just pop this one here. Again, I made the same mistake. You can just hold. Okay, we can screw it here, and then we can attach our phones, or phones on the sides as well. Like we have like 1, 2, 3, this one 3, 4 and 5. We have total 5 phone options for this ring light, and this can tilt as well, and also as the ring light can tilt as well like this. So if you're making a video on the table or something, so if you don't want to show yourself or your face, so you can just tilt it like this and you can just make your video. And if the height goes up, I will show you the maximum height for this. So this is the maximum height of this, and which is probably like 6 feet, more than 6 feet, definitely more than 6 feet. So let me turn on the light. We can see this is the white light. We can switch it to warm, and this is the like mid, white and warm together. But this is the maximum light basically we can get from this. And let me switch it again. This is the white light, this is the warm light, this is the, I actually can't see, it's too much brightness. So we have balloons here. So let me show you, this is the lowest light setting, and let me just brighten it up. Wow, it's amazing. These looks amazing with the light. So this is the brightest mode, and this is the white light, this is the warm light, this is the combination. And let me just show you, we have 5 settings here. We can attach our phone here and here on the sides of this, and we have 3 settings here. I like the middle mode, so I just attached my phone in the middle, and we have the side setting and this side setting as well.